Firstly, a very good morning to all the students that are watching this video now, and I hope you all are healthy and safe at your home. Today we are going to study about the main verb and auxiliary verb that is also called helping verb. But before this, you have to know about what is verb actually. As you already know about verb is a word which tells us about our all actions, or in simple language, verb is an action word. Now with this we start our topic, and our topic is stated here: main and auxiliary verbs. The definition of the verb is also stated. Firstly, verb is a word that tells about action or state of the subject. And the now question is arise, what is subject? Somebody who does work or has a state is called a subject. For this, we can easily understand by the following examples. Now, take an example. She writes a letter. In this sentence, it indicates the action of the subject. And in second sentence, she is a teacher. It indicates the state of the subject, that is she. Now we move towards the verb. There are two types of verb, that is first main, or we can also say main or principal verb, or auxiliary, or we can also say helping verb. Main or principal verb includes jumping, playing, moving, dancing, going, etc. And auxiliary or helping verb includes is, are, am, was, were, have, etc. And now we move toward the main or principal verb. The verb which indicate the action of the subject is called main or principal verb. It means this verb describes the time period of the main action. Time period of the main action, or you can also say the main verb. Time period of the main verb. Now take an example. Ram is playing. Here playing. What is playing? Playing is a main or principal verb. In second example, Pooja visiting the Taj Mahal. Here visiting is the main or principal verb. Now what is an auxiliary or helping verb? And the answer is, an auxiliary or helping verb is a verb which is used to only indicate the tense of the main verb. I repeat again, an auxiliary or helping verb is a verb which is used to only indicate the tense of the main verb, and it does not carry any meaning on its own. For this, we can easily understand by the following example that is stated below. In first example, you can see Aryan has returned from the trip. Here, has is used as helping verb or auxiliary verb. In second example, I am going to Sneha's house. Here, am is used as helping verb or auxiliary verb. In third example, he is swimming in the pool. Here is a helping or an auxiliary verb. Now the question arises, how many kind of auxiliary verb? The answer is, there are two kinds of auxiliary or helping verbs. The first one is primary auxiliaries, and the second one is modal auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries includes be, do, have, has, etc. And the modal auxiliaries includes will, would, shall, can, could, may, might, shall, should, etc. Now we move forward. But the verb be, do, have, has, that is also called primary auxiliaries, can be used both as main verb and helping verb. For example, I am a football player. Here, am is used as main verb. It indicates the action of the subject and is used as main verb. In second example, I am feeling very tired now. In this sentence, am is used as helping verb. In third example, Pranav has a cricket bat. In this sentence, has is used as main verb, and the fourth one example is she has finished their course. In this sentence, you can identify has is used as helping verb. The helping verb and the main verb both are used in the fourth sentence or in second sentence. That is, in second sentence, feeling is the main verb and am is used as helping verb, and the fourth example is finished is used as the main verb and has is used as the helping verb. Now I give you a question, that is, identify whether the highlighted verbs are main verb, that is am, or helping verb, that is h. The first one is he felt a sharp pain. He felt a sharp pain. I hope you can identify felt is a main verb. Now we move forward. The second one is I have visited the zoo. Here have is used as helping verb, that I write in the given space helping verb. The third one is she took some time to decide. Here you can also identify took is the main verb. Now the fourth one is I ride to school most days. Here ride you can identify ride is the main verb that I stated in the space given. Now the fifth and the last one is she was shivering from the cold. Here was is used as helping verb. I hope you all are understood the difference between the main verb and the helping verb.